With a sharp focus on the continual improvement of conveying processes, Mafdel strives to create innovative solutions to meet your needs within your sector of activity. Profiles: monolithic conveyor belts, positively driven monolithic belts, and a range of tooling are the core of Mafdel's business. Mafdel's products are valued in most industrial sectors, but particularly the food, building materials, packaging, logistics, pharmaceutical, and a lot more besides. Located in France, our extrusion and calendaring sites are equipped with modern automated production equipment. Produced from high-quality raw materials, our belts will meet your technical and performance specifications at a competitive cost. Whether your work is in production, machinery manufacture, or if you're a distributor of belting products, Mafdel's technical team will guide you throughout your project development, from the design to the on-site installation. Mafdel is a global company with a presence in over 60 countries. The monolithic belt is no longer a trend, but a revolution. Our 40 years of expertise in the world of conveying and production processes, as well as the industrial challenges of tomorrow, position us to become your ideal partner. Get in touch.